Venda Swami Shasho.
Yeah, welcome back. It's still the Van Rap Radio. Mkahdzi nandiduka nsuhana ndingwana ndi wamahunguni. So we are already vazudivora na zwimwe ndi mafungo fedzi. So yeah, man. Some people have been asking me like, yo, dude, what do you think of Mampintsha's verse track and Makhadz? And I was like, guys, do you really want me to get into that shit right now? You want to get me into trouble? Okay. So before I even get into that whole thing and verse ya Mampintsha and all, let me take a sip. Cash. Yeah, okay. So I've played that track a couple of times. Sugar. Okay. What the heck was Mampintsha saying there? Venda West. Yo, Venda. Okay. So, Mkahdzi, you paid for that verse because that verse sounds like a free verse. That like, let me just put it there, man. Let me just hire it in there. That verse, like if it's just a song, like it was not supposed to be there. That verse didn't bring anything. It's like a waste of time, man. It's like you can chop and remove it from the song so that we can just keep on dancing. Like Venda West. I don't know what really happened, but I know Mampintsha brings the vibe in a lot of songs. You know, mostly he comes in and like, but on this one, shit, even my headphones are falling. Yeah, man. Yeah, I think. I hope you. Yeah, man. So I felt like the verse was not really important on the song, but then on the other side, this is when now I'm speaking not as a fan. You know, I was speaking as a fan. Dichitoma Ndukambo verse Mampintsha is not important to all of the song. That was me being a fan, you know, a follower to Makhadzi and all that shit. You know what I mean? Shit, nigga shit. Okay, so I spoken as a fan. Ndukambo Mampintsha's verse is not important. Then let's talk as the music guy. Hey, it's the hustler. It's that nigga that is in the music and yeah, man, shit happens like all that. Mampintsha's verse is way too important. You see? As a fan, the verse is not important. As music entertainer part of the industry, the verse is way too important. Let me put it this way. Sugar has to cross boundaries. Sugar has to reach some level. Brand Mkahdzi has to grow. So if we talk about brand growth, a cult following in Abanayo, no. Remember there's people that will kill you, eh? Yo, I know what I'm saying right now might get me in trouble with our defenders. Hey, yeah. So it's important when it comes to her brand. Talking about Turnia Dwazori, hey, side in it lazanga ngebo and Zare Mary ni Jena Blapetu ni Nkobona Musuniba Nuru Zeniben and Goma Pala. But then when she has Mampintsha on that song, Sugar, and she gained more fans. Ziniza one defenders Mampintsha and defenders like KZN, and there's people like him, people that follow Mampintsha. He got a huge following in that side of KZN. So what's happening is like right now she just crossed the boundary. She just crossed the whole thing. That makes her be part of come on. She's now in Devon. Hey, she's Debonizing. Okay, I think I need to do something about this shit. Yeah, man. But yeah, she's part of Devon crew now. She's part of you know what I mean, man. She'll be performing there in different clubs and all. She's done that with DJ Tira. She gained a lot of fans from that side. She's done it again with Mampintsha, which means then the brand is growing. The brand is not just staying, you know, in that small circle. She's exploring, she's expanding. Brand yawe ikuya grower. And then working with more artists now. Zuko tu sorry. More and more artists now what the future. Future, which means now she's not gonna be that artist that's just gonna disappear. Yeah, we know she's talented, but how many talented artists that came and go in this industry? How many? So she doesn't need to be just the number like others. She's working with other artists. She's pushing with other artists. She's doing it with other artists. So Mampintsha's verse is important for her to penetrate the KZN market. It's way important to jump into KZN market. So I'm talking not as a fan. Now I'm talking as, yeah, man, Nema. The guy, and there's those who don't really like this nigga shit. So I'm happy she did the future in the music. I'm not happy as a fan because that verse didn't do anything, yeah. But it will help her grow the brand. So that's what I wanted to say, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. You can comment, but I don't comment. Why are you sharing other people? Nigga, please, nigga, shit. Please respect each other. Then, yeah, man, you can follow me on Twitter and the name. You can go _Nema on Instagram, or just VanRapRadio on Instagram. I'm on Facebook, VanRapRadio. We're on Facebook. Yeah, man. Yeah. Don't forget to download also our music at www.vanrapradiostation.co.za or www.renderfiles.co.za. And what's the angle? Araba single. Hey, make your way. www.arijole.co.za. Ne ngadzina ndiduka ndisuhana ndi ng'wana ndi wa mahunguni ndibafuna zone amara here, and then waditagomere corona ichihone nda